Doing serious jail time for marijuana or not? Tonight we're learning a Florida state attorney has decided not to prosecute certain marijuana cases. He says it's too difficult for law enforcement to tell if it's hemp, which is now legal in Florida, or if it's actually marijuana. Ganja, MJ, Mary Jane, you know all the names. Fox 4's Rachel Lloyd live in Fort Myers right now. Rach, give us the bottom line. How's this going to affect people in Southwest Florida?
Having marijuana could put you in the back of one of these police cars, but it may not lead you all the way to the courthouse. Here's why. This week, State Attorney Jack Campbell announced he'll no longer prosecute certain marijuana possession cases in the Panhandle.
I believe the state attorneys are acting reasonably in this regard.
Retired Police Chief Walt Zalisco says Campbell is making the right choice, agreeing with Campbell's stance that since hemp is now legal, marijuana is not, and there's no test for law enforcement to distinguish between the two. Zalisco says the test they do have only tests for the presence of THC, the element that gets you high.
It doesn't test for the quantity of it, just whether there's THC in there.
He says the problem with that is a 0.03 trace of THC is considered legal, which is what's present in hemp. Florida Gulf Coast University forensics professor Dr. David Thomas says if officers still decide to arrest someone for marijuana without the test, which they can do, it'll be hard to prove in court.
So you really don't have a case and you don't have the ability to do anything with it, so it's a wasted effort.
He says Campbell's choice not to prosecute until there's proper testing is fair. He recalls a program that sent University of Florida students to corrective classes when they got caught with marijuana and black and brown young people to jail for the same thing.
So there was almost one standard for the students at the University of Florida and another standard for minority members in the minority community.
And the state attorney's office representing Southwest Florida says that they agree with Campbell's analysis, but they'll handle each case on an individual level. In Fort Myers, Rachel Lloyd, Fox 4, in your corner.